I am really, really, really tired of the 19th century that is in the center console. It is the factory Nissan head unit, and it only uses one of the 4 speakers. So I don't know whether that's blown speakers or the head units could be wiring, who knows, but I'm going to tear it out and replace it with something better. This is a fantastically cheap Android head unit. I've used these a couple of times in the past now. We put one in Project Colorado, and to be honest, I've had fantastic success with them. This one I think cost me $320 something off eBay. It took them 3 or 4 weeks to get it here, but I'm presuming that came from China. So let's unbox it, have a look at what you get. This one's a little bit different to ones I've tried in the past, so let's see what we get in the box and go from there. This head unit is a 10-inch model, which is quite sizable, and it comes courtesy with some pre-existing scratches on the edge, which is nice of them. But anyway, that's going to be the main screen in the Patrol. Like, to give you an idea, that's my hand. It's rather large. Let's pop that back in its bag before I do even more damage. Climb over the walls and... That's the unit there. Oh yeah, how good's that? I'm sure that'll last 6 to 12 seconds on a decent track. Oh, it's an extendable one. That's a bit weird. Anyway, these rotate apparently. Somehow. There we go. So it rotates up, down, side to side. So you can adjust it in the car. As you see, nice compact single DIN unit. Built-in Wi-Fi antenna, obviously GPS. These are your auxiliary ins and outs for USB, microphones, antenna, and your ISO harness. So, oh, look at that, wiring diagrams on top of it. To another world. But not least, have, if I can get it out of the box, our digital radio receiver. I've decided to go digital radio in this car. I had one of these in my 80 series many years ago. It was actually awesome. Obviously, as soon as you leave the city, it's useless. But yeah, around here we get pretty good digital radio reception, so it'll be nice to have some quality tunes, if there ever is such a thing on commercial radio. To another world. As you can see, it practically falls apart. Alright, time to remove the right hand A-pillar trim so we can install this digital radio module.
Told me that love wasn't real. What kind of a feeling am I starting to feel?
Practically falls out. Yeah, guys, here's a good example of what not to do. We've got taped up live connections. That's definitely on the to-do list to come and redo. Just not right now.
For as long as you want, for as long as your heart.
With these things, basically you've got your actual antenna, which is in a clear plastic film, which goes on the windscreen itself, and you've got this black tab with a metallic finish. That's an earth point, so that goes on the actual pillar to make sure you're going to get a nice, clear, noise-free signal.
Close to a second, we can lose it all. When lights are in motion, we're ready to fall. When I want you.
See all nicely back together. And then I remembered I've also got to do the GPS module. Yep. Alright, I only removed that about 4 times more than I needed to. But it's now in. So I'm going to move on to putting this head unit in. I've got the GPS and digital radio stuff coming out there now. I've got the 1,000,001 adapters and everything that's going to go in there. So we'll see how we go here.
Stay